Hello, good evening, everyone, and you are welcome back to the subnetting class. We're going to continue discussion about the subnetting. So we studied the last class how the normal network looks like slash 24. Now I'm going to move one bit to the network, that is the slash 25. Then how this network, big network, going to break down in two different networks, because once I will bring one bit from host to network, is become the slash 24, one bit borrow. So we will generate with the two option, means one bit having 0 and 1 value. Agree? Yes, no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, yes.
Oh yes, right. I thought you guys are disconnected. Fine. Now, if you bring, you got the two network. So this network, let's the calculate. So first bit is 0 and the second bit, how it's going to work. So if you see the your networks when it was the slash 24, so what was the IP 190.16.1, and that 0 that was slash 24. Now you bring this bit one bit here, so this value become 0 and 1s. Here earlier was 80. Now this first bit goes into the network section. This become the network. So remaining this 7. So first, if you have 0, then there is two option. Remaining 7 bit either be first, this will give you network ID, and 111 will give you the broadcast IP. This will be the network ID, all zeros, and all ones will be the broadcast IP. And first bit is 0. This is one option. This is the one option. Now, second option you have 1. This is reserved for 1, and you got again all the zeros will give the all the 7 zeros give network ID, and all the ones will give you the broadcast IP. Right? Clear? Understand,
Yes. Yes.
guys?
Yes, sir.
So what is the first network is this, second network is this. So what is my network ID? So from this 0 you have to calculate. This is the dot 0. This is nothing called 190.160.1.0 is a one network. Then what is the broadcast IP of this network? First is
192.1.
0, remaining is 1. What will be the value? You remember, guys? What is the position of this 128 minus 1's
127.
1's complement?
127.
Excellent, 126. So this broadcast IP 190.160.1.120. Now next, you have one all the zeros. This value is 128. This network start from 128, and this will end the all are ones. This will, you can see the my network ID is 190.1.1.120, and the broadcast IP
124, sir.
190.1.25.
Sir, 254, no, sir. One's complement.
Why? Still, this network will be reserved, my dear. We are not talking about 24-bit.
Okay, okay, sir.
We are talking about the 7th. first bit of the this is the reserve. I can't change this. Are you understanding? Because
Yes,
Yes,
otherwise
sir.
yes, sir.
that's going to be become different network.
Okay, sir.
Okay, excellent. So let's do this calculation. So here in one bit, how do you calculate in one network how many hosts? What I told you formula 2 to the power host. Here 2 to the power 8 because 8 bit was there. Here how many bit in a host left?
7.
Excellent 7. 2 to the power 7. What is the value? 2 to the power 7.
120.
128, sir.
Excellent 128. 128 I have to remove how many IP?
2.
2 IP, one for network, one for broadcast, every network. So in this how many? One network how many host?
126.
126. You understand?
Yes,
Yes,
So
sir.
sir.
this type of how many network it will become? Two network, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So 126 in a one network, 126 in another network. Are you agree or not? Two network
Yes,
it
sir.
will
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
agree. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Excellent. Now, the first IP we discussed 192. Same thing. First IP will be this, and the second network IP will be this. What? This will become 128. How? How 128?
The last IP is 127 of first network.
Excellent. So, but how do you calculate by the IP addressing? By this method, just you see this value is become first how many bit? 8 bit. I'm writing 8 bit. This number how do you remember? No need to remember because this bit going to be value first time 0, second time 1. Remaining don't care. 7 bit I don't care what is the value of 7 bit. I don't care. I care only the first bit. If first bit becomes 0, so what will be the value? 0. If the first bit become 1 and keep all the value 0, what will be the value? 128. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
we
Yes.
have two network and the first network IP is dot 0, second network IP 128. If you know the second network IP 128, you can easily calculate the first network of broadcast IP minus this minus 1. Agree or not agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Because this is going to be here. So you can see one big network going to be break the
Two network.
two small network, two equal divided network. Agree or not agree?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Yes, sir.
Full agree.
चलो अब इसका आईपी निकालते हैं. It will start from 1, it will end. Tell me what will be the IP of this last valid host IP?
126.
Excellent, 126. Means from 1 to 126 any IP you take that will be valid host. Or here what is the first IP? One more one.
130.
Where, sir?
What is the first IP of second network? This one.
129.
Excellent. And what will be the last IP of this?
254.
Excellent. And now tell me the subnetting. This is the important. What is the subnet? How do you
25.
calculate?
Sir, 255.255.255.
Dot.
All will be, sir, 255, no?
Oh,
First one will be 0.
no. This will be 255, 255, 55. Because the class C. What will be, this value will change because now network becomes smaller.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you one here subnet marks. How do you write the subnet marks? Let's understand. Then you will understand. Slash
Sir,
24 says that. How do you write slash 24 subnet marks?
Sir, I think it will be 126 there.
Oh, you are going right, but not exist means slash 24 means all the network will be 111. Remaining host will be 0000 means 0.
Okay.
Suppose one bit you bring here, so this will be 255.255.255 dot. One bit become 1 because it's a network. Remaining host, what will be the value?
128.
128. You forget last class, I think. Please revise last class. Go through the. We have done this exercise. I'm going to ask you slash 24. What will be the subnet marks? Slash 27. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Remaining.
Yes, but today you forget. Please revise that. So it's a
Yes.
very easy. I'm telling you the clue. How do you get this? It's nothing. The if you see the previous, sorry, previous class, just I show you what will be the last network. What will be your last network? That will be your subnet mark.
120.
So last network will be what? 128 here. Only two network, na? So last
Yes, sir.
network is second is the last network. That will be your IP. This is the catch.
Okay, sir. We revise it.
And marks will be for both the network. You understand?
Second one, how?
Subnet marks will be same. That I'm telling you. If you have subnet marks because one bit only come to the network, na yaar.
Yeah, yeah.
Only by one bit. Either this network or either this network. Both the network only one bit come. From they one bit borrow. So one bit borrow means this become 128.
Okay, sir.
Right? Please
Okay.
practice at home. We're going to continue. Otherwise, what you do, you have to do this for 26 and 27. I'm going to give you homework only for 26. 26, how many bit borrow? Need to borrow? How many
Two.
Two,
bit?
Two.
two bits.
Very good. And 27, how many bit you have to borrow?
Three.
Three.
3. So if you borrow 2 bit, how many network do you need?
Two to the
4
power three.
networks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you borrow 3 bits, you're going to get how many networks? 8 networks. Tomorrow, I'm going to discuss for this 26 and 27 in extend way. All the 4 network and all the 8 network we try to understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
By this
Okay.
method. Please practice in your home and get ready with the challenges. What are the challenges you? Because once you start doing like this, you make the column, do this. Okay, you see this video, do 425 as I have done. Then you practice 420. However, I'm going to discuss in detail. Okay,
Oh,
Yes.
interesting.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please practice and don't miss these two class upcoming two with the class one. Then once I am able to complete rapid. Here,
Okay, sir.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So please practice. Come with your challenges. We'll discuss and we will understand the detail and complete control of the career.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.